What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be replacing this water heater with a tankless water heater, and that tankless water heater will sit right up there. There's the electrical panel. This is the unit we decided to go with. It's available at Home Depot, 27 kilowatt, 5.27 gallons per minute by Rheem. It's a good little unit. We've used it before on other jobs. As you can see, the water heater's out, the electrical's run, got the unit mounted on the wall. These supply lines make for quick work of the plumbing. One side is threaded with a 3/4 thread, and the other one is just one of these shark bite quick connect. You push it in there, make sure it goes in all the way, and it's a perfect seal. Here's the other side. That valve there, it broke shut, so I actually ended up replacing it. You'll see it at the next shot. It's just a 3/4 inch ball valve. And there we go. This unit takes 3 breakers, 340 amp breakers, and there it is. The water's running, so you can see it's on. See the new ball valve there, and we're good to go. Look how much space we freed up.